Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain LeetCode third problem, that is longest substring without the repeating character. So this is the most important question. This question will be asked in many MNC companies like Amazon, Flipkart, like that. So let's see guys, what is the concept of this longest substring without repeating characters. So before going to the solve this problem, I would like to ask one small request to you guys. Like, if you not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like and comment it below. In the last, give your feedback on this explanation, so that would be better to me to improve myself. Yeah guys, I have started new career in this YouTube channel. So based on your feedback, that I will change the concept and I will improve myself. Let's see the problem guys. Longest substring without repeating character. So first of all, before this going to the question, so I would like to explain one small thing. What is substring? So substring is nothing but it's a part of string. It's a string, but it is a part of string. That is, we call it as a substring, and we can also call it as continuous part of the or continuous calling of the characters in a particular string. That is called as a substring also. So for example, they have given the some characters. Let's take example 1. A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. In this, A is one substring, B is one substring, C is substring, A, B, C, and each and every character is a one of the substring for this string. And also ABC one substring, ABC, ABC, BB one substring, and ABC, ABC one substring. But AB not a substring. Okay, that is not a substring. Yeah guys, I hope you understood the what is the concept of substring. Yeah, after that, now let's see the problem statement. Given a string, yes, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. Okay, they have given a one string. What we have to do? We have to find the length of the longest substring. So the ring must not be contain a duplicate character. For example, let's see ABC, ABC. So if we found this substring from this string, okay, this is a substring, fine. But what they are saying, without a repeating character. So in this, there is some repeating characters. A is there, B is there, and C is there. So without these repeated characters, that one we call it as a substring for this problem. Okay. For that, what we will do, A, B, C, we consider only this A, B, C characters. So what is this length? 3. So this is the result of this problem. Okay. And another example, there is another example is there, B, B, B. Okay. In this, what will be the output for this? How could you expect this? Let's see here. All are repeated characters. So what we will do, just we have to consider only single character. Okay. The output is 1. Okay. So to solve this problem, I hope you understood the problem statement of this longest substring without the repeating character. Now let us understand the algorithm for this. In the coding level or pseudocode, we can consider this pseudo. Okay, to solve this problem, what we will do, I'm taking the one optimal approach, that is two-pointer approach. Okay, in this two-pointer approach, what we have to do, we have to take 2 pointers, that is left pointer and another one is right pointer. So, and in this I'm taking one more concept, that is sequence count array. In this, while finding the frequency, if any character frequency is greater than 1, what I will do, just I will do like I will move the left pointer. Okay, in the first level I will move the right pointer. Whenever the frequency of any character is greater than 1, that moment what I will do, just I will move the left point, and when I move this left pointer, I will find the result with right minus left plus 1, because in between right and left pointers the substring will be there. For that, I'm using this algorithm. For example, let's take this one, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, B. Here, I'm starting from here, 0th index, and also there is a frequency array, A, B, C, B. While moving this right pointer from 0 to last index, so A is one character, so that is frequency is 1. B is another character, that is frequency 1. C is another character, frequency is 1. So again, right pointer pointing to the A character. So the frequency become 2. At that moment, what I will do, I will write a one condition like in the while loop. If any characters, if the any character frequency is greater than 1, what I will do, just I will move the right pointer. Okay. After moving this, so at that moment, what I will get, the right pointer will point it here, the left pointer move it here. Okay. This is also one substring. So the output, the length of this string is 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The right pointer index is 3 and the left pointer index is 1 and plus 1 in the last moment, because I'm starting from 0th index. So that's why I'm adding here. So 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1. That string will contain 3 characters. Okay. This is then how to find this frequency. I'm taking the array size is 256. Why? Because this string contains any characters that may be like uppercase, lowercase, any exclamatory characters, at the rate, any characters. So for that, I'm using 0 to 256 length. So I can consider 0 to 26, but the string will be contains, if string contains any other characters. So for that, I'm taking the string, array length as 250. Now let's see the problem in coding level. One more thing I have forgotten, guys. Whenever you found the frequency is greater than 1, you found the any character frequency is greater than 1, what you have to do, just you have to decrease that frequency and move the left pointer. Why? Because so to find the duplicates, we found the duplicates here, so we don't have to consider that one. So for that, just decrease that. To move this left pointer, decrease this. Otherwise, what will happen? Because we are checking every characters. If any character, because first character may be duplicates and second character may be duplicates. For that, I am using while loop. So if I not decrease that, so the while loop, what it will do, it will loop it here only with first character. So it will not consider the second character. It will not check the second character. For that only, I'm using this. Now let's see the coding level problem. Yeah. First of all, what I told you, this is a two-pointer approach. For that, I have to take two variables. Those are, one is left pointer and another one is right pointer. And for the result, I'm using one more variable, that is max. In the initial level, the value will be 0. Okay. After that, I have told you, for this to find the frequency, we have to use the frequency array count map. That frequency array I'm calling as a count map new int. I'm taking the length of that count map is 256, 0 to 256. Now I'm looping it here with two-pointer approach. I'm starting from 0th index. Just I'm moving the right pointer. Just I'm keeping the left pointer 0th index only. So whenever I found the duplicates, at that moment I will move the left pointer. Is equals to right, or directly we can initialize it here. This right one, right is equals to 0, right less than is total length, right plus plus. After this, what you will do, just increase that frequency in the count map dot character at of right plus. Now here I'm checking the, if any character frequency is greater than 1, then what I have to do, just have to decrease that character frequency, and because that is duplicate, so next character or next string, maybe that is a maximum string. So for that only I have to use this left pointer. I have to move that, so to find the longest substring. So I'm checking the is there any more characters is there or not. So for that, just I'm removing that duplicate thing. Just I'm moving out count map right as dot character at of right greater than 1 to decrease that frequency, and I have to move that. If I not follow this decrease concept, the while loop will run here only infinity time. So that's why I'm taking this. Just I'm decreasing this. After this, once we get the single frequency of character, what we have to do, we have to find the result. So once we get this, all the substring, so from the 0th the index, I mean, from left pointer to right pointer, we have to find the result. So for that, I'm checking that I'm using this right minus left plus one concept, and also I'm checking that this maximum. Just I will store that maximum value in the maximum variable. So for that, I'm using this max is equals to math method max comma right minus left plus one. Just I'm returning that result. Yeah, guys, this is one small mistake. Like we have to decrease the left thing because we are after this increment we won't consider this left characters. So that's why we are decreasing that frequency, and I'm moving the frequency. I'm moving that pointer to right side. Okay? That's why I'm using this condition. So once you submit this, yeah, that is correct. Guys, I hope you understood the problem of this and solution also. Yeah, guys. Please, if you're not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please like and comment it below. Thank you, guys. And one more thing, guys, if you want this problem explanation in any other language, please let me know, guys, in the comment section. So then I will create another video on that. Thank you, guys. Thank you.